Grifform Innovation's custom shower bases offer full customization in any of our 15 different custom shapes. These shapes will alter your entry point and wall locations to fit your unique space needs. Grifform Innovation's custom shower bases come as a solid one-piece unit and are non-porous, meaning they don't harbor bacteria. Grifform Innovations has developed the skill of manufacturing high-quality custom shower bases over the course of the last 2 decades. Each unique shape could offer a solution for a user's unique project. When you select a custom shower base with Grifform Innovations, you can choose to also add on matching shower wall panels, which will be built in accordance with your base's flange locations. Grifform Innovations offers integrated color offerings from hundreds of different solid surface colors. Customize each aspect of your custom shower base to your exact specifications with Grifform Innovations today.